You rose before dawn, drove 2 hours for 20 seconds of pure adrenaline. Crazy? Maybe. Skyline Drive staring you down. What you got? Power. Technology. Every RPM pulling you forward. The legs, the arms, all doing the dance. Then, the turbos really start to kick in, punching through. A straight shot. Your reward for your hard work? This. Nearly 7,000 RPM bouncing off the walls, surrounding you in pure, unfiltered exhilaration. Nothing else puts goosebumps on your goosebumps. Nothing feels like a Z.